There is this cheese farm in the middle of the Dutch windmills of Kinderdijk.
You can buy and taste the most beautiful cheeses there. So today I'm upgrading their tasting station. Inside their shop they have a tasting table, but the signs are all handwritten cards. And I thought we can do better. So I'm designing something that looks traditional but works like a modern display system. Each cheese will get their own laminated design card, the type of animal on the top and the flavor on the bottom. And they'll slide right into these wooden disc holders. But here's the cool part, the slot will be cut exactly in the center.
My wife works at a Dutch cheese farm here near Kinderdijk. They make their own cheese. Cow, sheep, goat and even buffalo. And the system that I'm making makes swapping the cheeses take seconds.
I'm using trash wood that I have laying around. Maybe you recognize the trunk? It's from that Christmas tree. Before we made some beautiful wood coasters from them. You can check out that video here. Alright, let's build it! But this time we're gonna match the farm's aesthetic. We're gonna give them a color that will make the cheese pop. Cutting them the way I want is harder than it looks. This time I'll use my miter saw. This cut needs to be perfectly centered. If this goes wrong, I start over again. Ah, look at that. Perfect. And honestly, building something that helps my wife's workplace makes it even better. Now we make it smooth enough to match that premium cheese. I want customers to see quality before they even taste anything. The design of these cards needs to match the cheese farm. So I'm gonna design them in Photoshop. Traditional but clean. Because there's a lot of tourism, we will write down 4 different languages. For every animal and different type of cheese, we need a card, like old, young and overripe cheese. We even have some special ones like Italian mix and garlic. The staff can swap combinations depending on what's on the tasting board that day. Small upgrades like this make a big difference. Now let's see how it looks where it belongs. Alright, this is exactly what I wanted. One holder, unlimited combinations. From handwritten paper to something that actually matches the quality of the cheese.
If you enjoy projects that combine woodworking, design and real-world problems, please subscribe because I got more coming. And next time you're near Kinderdijk, try the cheese. Bye!